to fix Instagram Live Try Again issue. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. To solve this issue, launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner. Scroll down, locate account status option and open it. Make sure all checks are clear and your account is active. Next step is you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. To check, launch Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. If there is update button, tap update and update it to the latest version. Following this step, if your issue has not been yet resolved, you need to again launch Instagram app and head towards profile at bottom right corner. Tap three-line icon at top right corner. Scroll to the bottom, select help. Now report a problem. Report problem without checking. Now tap include and continue button and briefly explain your issue. If you have any screenshots, you can attach the screenshots of the error and tap the send button at top right corner. Instagram will review your request and they will assist you in resolving this issue. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.